you for tuning in Laylas Get Serama. In this video, I am thrilled and proud to introduce my little JackJr, my little pride and joy. Look at him. A little bit about this little fella right here. He is born in December. I bred and hatched myself. I'm proud of him. So happy and lucky that he came into our life. He is such an amazing creature, most loving, so sweet, overall just a blessing. And he also has these two little sisters that are just same exact as far as temperament, which is I'm going to be uploading soon here, so stay tuned for that video. So I decided to create this video, guys, for your viewing pleasure. I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking, so this is just going to be a watch through kind of video. I really hope it's not boring. So enjoy, relax, and give this guy some love, like, share on his little adventure in the yard. Stay at the end because there's going to be a cute, funny moment at the end. So I'll just let you witness that to yourself. So I thank you in advance for tuning in. May this video find you well in this crazy pandemic, and you're staying healthy along with your family. Stay blessed. Enjoy, and thank you very much. Take care.
Yo, 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 yo.